Ooh. I tidied it up so all my knives have been put away. Like that. Oh, that's that. It's a big fucking battery. It's a 3.7 volt battery. Yeah, this my grip is diabolical. Is a infrared light. How does that stay closed? So it comes with a charger. So how does that? So it's got it's magnetic, I think, keeping it on. That's weird, that, because it's like I can't see any way to actually screw that closed. There is a thread in there, unless you have to. Okay, that's weird. I'm going to have to actually. Of course, there's no instructions whatsoever, as usual. So, unless it goes that way around. Does it go that way around? Right, that's a bit weird, because there's a thread in there. That's a spring on that end. Right, I don't know if that's working or not, because that's... Right, I'm going to turn the light off. Hang about. Because modern cameras do actually detect, when it's not doing anything, do detect infrared light, because this is supposed to be an infrared torch. Nope, nothing. It might be that the battery's dead and needs to be charged up. There could be some other reason, but because there's no fucking instructions, I've got no idea if that's working or not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put that on charge for a bit, and different glasses. Sorry, let's see what the fuck I'm doing. Right, so it goes like that. Oh, right. I had these £1 vouchers, and so sponges. It is cheaper to buy 10 sponges from China, get them shipped from China, than it is to buy one sponge in the local shop. Ooh. Ah, this. Nice little toy. This is a lockpick. Now, the way these things are meant to work, okay, not that I've ever used them, of course, is that you make sure you pull this all the way back. You put this into the lock. Do I have a padlock handy I can show you? They're working like most locks. I don't have one handy. Bollocks. Anyway, you push this into the lock. You make sure this is pulled all the way back. You then flick this out, and this gives you tension. So you push it a little bit until you feel a little bit of strain. And this is a, oh, it's only a 5 point, or is it 5 or 6? This is a so the 5 or 6 point thing. So however many things. So what you do is you push in, wiggle, 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 push in, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And when you feel tension on the wiggle, that's when you go click, and then you do the next one, click, and that's how you pick your locks. I mean, another way to do it is you get something similar to this. You push it in under tension and then rake it back. But yeah, a couple of quid, nice little toy. In a bastard box. I've seen a couple of YouTube videos. And see how it goes. Is it even going to fit in there? That's the thing. Nope, not going to fit. That's too wide. I tried to use the lock picking tool and it will not fit inside the padlock. It will not fit inside the door lock. I put in for a refund and 3 hours later, I received it. Okay, they say I've received it. I've not actually checked my bank account yet, but apparently they're refunding it to the same place that I sent the money from, so I should get my £5.60 back. So yeah, and they do actually do this. I think it's AliExpress that actually refunds the money, then they get it back from the marketplace people who sold it. Oh, that also means I get to keep it. Lockpicking. For those of you who may have purchased one of these, it's a lockpicking tool, and it works great on American locks. Because American locks, like everything else in America, is thicker than anything else. I don't mean cock size, I mean like mental. Yeah, the locks in America are wider than the ones in Europe, in England. So if you've got a lockpicking tool like this, in all likelihood, it will not fit in a European or English lock. Ours are tighter. So you would not be able to use that on an English lock. If you've got an old-fashioned American style, like some Yale locks might work, but if you've got like a modern padlock, a European padlock, or a security lock, or a modern door, it won't fit. It's that simple. So yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, American locks are they've got a wider opening in America apparently. You know, in England the openings are a lot tighter. This I saw and I thought I gotta have that. That looks like fun. It's basically it's a water pistol. Essentially, it's a water pistol. But this one don't have any plastic bottles to hand. A standard plastic bottle because these threads are universal. So what you do is you fill your bottle of water, you attach your pipe. I'm guessing, I've never used it. I think you just push that pipe in there. Put this into your bottle with water. Screw it up, nice and tight, and then you pump. It would work better if there was water in it. So it builds up pressure, and then you push that to release it. It's a water pistol. Okay, so... Oh yeah, you can adjust that nozzle for spray. So, that's pretty good. I like that. I mean, if you were to put something on there to adjust the nozzle... Ooh, can you adjust the nozzle? Nozzle comes off. There, motherfucker. Okay, that's interesting. Right, so you can adjust the nozzle. Right. Yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun. This is going to be a lot less grief trying to wash the windows. And when I get a bike back on the road. I imagine that's going to break fairly quick, but yeah. I'm heavy-handed, that's the problem. But it's basically a bicycle pump. So... yeah. I like that. For however many pennies it cost. Don't do it that way, do my mushrooms. Let's water my mushrooms. Just a nozzle. I like this. It was only... I'll try and remember to get the price up. That's... yeah, that is a very nice toy. For the sake of a... I say toy. gizmo, gadget. What do you want to call it? Yeah, I like that. Very handy.